You're on.
Hi, my name is Buzz Rose, and I have been fortunate enough to be elected to 5 different auto racing Hall of Fames, including the National Sprint Car Hall of Fame. And in the 1960s, I was fortunate enough to have driven a Drake engine in a midget at Gardena Stadium twice. And I found this picture in my collection. This is a picture of Bill Vukovich Sr. in 1945 in Fresno, California, of his Drake. It was the winningest Drake at that time in history. It still is. And we called the Drake shakers because they vibrated so bad. And I thought these guys would like to have a picture. I've never seen another Drake engine out of a chassis. Very rare. And really a pleasure to see it. And I got a good friend of mine, John Binder, back here that brought me down here to take a look at it. It's beautiful. You guys did great work on it. Yeah, we're going to hear it run now.
All right.
I'll get the hell out of the way of the exhaust pipe.
Yeah, you don't want to be standing in
I
front
don't
of
want
that.
to be standing in the back of the exhaust pipe.
Good job.
You know, at speed was when they vibrated the
Oh
most.
yeah, so Ken overbalances them to where the faster you go, the smoother it gets.
Yeah, because that normally at speed, these things down the straightaways with your hands would put them
Oh
on,
yeah.
you know?
You know Jerry Miller.
Oh yeah, I remember Jerry. How the hell
Buzz
I
Rose
looked
had
at
it.